And doing a 13-13-1-1, back another banger unboxing review. Today we got H.G. Wells' The Time Machine, released in 1960, guys. A George Powell production, considered by many as one of the greatest first sci-fi pictures, guys. Stylish, god damn it. Stylish, charming, continuously exciting. John Stanley, guys. It looks super amazing, guys. Here today. Just pause the story if you want to. Here's the back real quick. I've only seen this movie once in the wild, and it was at West Edmonton Mall, so I picked it up. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up real quick, guys. Open this bad boy up. Fuck. Okay, guys. I want a bourbon. I want a scotch. I want to be I haven't seen my baby since I don't know when. I've been drinking bourbon. Yeah, scotch and gin. Here's what it looks like inside. Let's open this bad boy up real quick. And there it is, guys. Time machine. If you guys didn't know, now you guys know. You know. You know all too well who you are. All about the reach for the stars. You had a goal, but nothing. 'Cause you okay, guys, and bye.